did I wish I knew before I started my own business? I think I actually was told exactly what I wish I knew, which was how important networking is. And I think no matter how many times I heard it from no matter how many people, it didn't truly sink in until I got my hands dirty. So hopefully I maybe reached somebody out there that is ready to accept and bring this in from somebody else. Again, maybe I wasn't in the right state of mind to receive some of these pieces of advice, but networking is monumental. When you need it the most is when you want it. So if you don't think you need it now, consider where you'll be in a year, in 2 years, in 5 years, in 10 years, and what you can do and how you can accomplish certain things with the resources that are at your disposal when you have the right people. And I think that almost all of my business has come in some way, shape, or form through networking. Whether it was somebody attending my own session and telling other people about it, which happens often, or hey, I need a favor. I need somebody that knows and understands how to do X. Do you know that person? Well, I have a network that does know that person, even if it's not me personally. So it's not necessarily what you know, it's who you know. It's not necessarily who you know, it's who those people know. And that's why I think networking is so important. It's the thing that I wish that I really brought on board in the very beginning of my business. I think I've always had it in the background, but I've never put it at the forefront of truly accomplishing all of my goals and aspirations. And I think if you do it the right way, I think it can have a lasting impact.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comment.